What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 20 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far the collection is coming along just absolutely beautifully. And I am excited to add today's pen to the collection because the wood used in today's pen grows from Panama down to Brazil, and it's called Canarywood. Canarywood is generally a large tree reaching heights of 100 feet or more with a trunk diameter of 30 to 50 inches. Canarywood can be a beautiful species of wood that can include an array of natural colors from orange, bright yellow, red, and purple. So just like the other episodes in my pen making series, I will be rating this wood based off of 3 categories, and then I'll give the pen an R score. The R score is where I rank it as my favorite pen within my collection, and the 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, you can expect to pay about $20 per board foot of Canarywood. That price is not too excessive, so I'll give Canarywood a 6 out of 10 for price. Moving into workability, Canarywood was quite easy to work with. The wood felt very light and very low density. So for workability, I give Canarywood an 8 out of 10. And wrapping it up with aesthetics, this particular piece of Canarywood honestly did not impress me very much. I was able to see very colorful pictures of other pieces of Canarywood online, but the piece I got is just completely lacking in those yellow, reds, and purple colors. So for aesthetics, I'm sorry, but I have to give Canarywood a 3.5 out of 10. And now for the R score. As of the making of this video, there are 19 other pens in my collection, and regrettably, I will be ranking Canarywood at number 19, ahead of last place Keyit and behind 18th place Rapala Lacewood. So, sorry to you, Canarywood. I feel bad ranking any pen that low, but honestly, the Canarywood and Keyit pen that I have are quite similar, and I've had a hard time distinguishing between the two, especially after giving both the same copper-colored pen components. I should have thought that one through a little better, and maybe given this one a different color for the components. Anyways, that's the end of this episode in my pen making series, so thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn. We're getting right down to the end, only a couple more left. So like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.